welcome back to Kawaii Toy Collector, and in today's video I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. So yeah, also guys, the hashtag notification squad for my last week's video is also, please leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. So let's get right into the video. Before I get into this video, I do want to say there is green clay under my nails. It looks absolutely nasty, so please ignore that. But in today's video, I'm going to show you guys how to make no glue dish soap slime. It's a super easy no glue slime recipe, and it's only made with 2 ingredients. The ingredients you guys need to make this no glue slime recipe today is any type of dish soap. You guys will need any type of hand soap, body wash, or shampoo. I'm just using hand soap. You guys will need a bowler plate to make your slime in, a mixing tool, and that's all. So this recipe is super easy to make. The first thing I'm going to do is going to get out my dish soap and I'm going to add it into my bowler plate. I'm just going to add about that much into here, and I love using Dawn dish soap for this recipe. The next thing I'm going to do is going to get out my hand soap and add it into there as well. And I don't have much left of this one, so I'm just going to take off this container lid and go like this. And the hand soap is needed because it basically just thickens up the soap, because Dawn dish soap or most dish soaps are just super watered down, and this just makes it into a thicker consistency. The last thing you guys have to do for this recipe is just mix it up. You're going to mix it for about 1 minute to 2 minutes. Okay, so mixing is all done, and now what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this into the refrigerator for about 2 to 3 hours. Every 30 minutes I'm just going to mix it up and make sure, it's working, it's thickening up, because that's all you really need to do for this recipe is make sure the soap thickens up so it makes a super cool, like glue-like slime texture. So I'll see you guys in about a second when the recipe is all done. Okay guys, 3 hours later, here is the no glue slime. I was already trying to look at it in the fridge, and it seems like it turned out pretty well. Here it is. Ooh, look at the texture on this. It's kind of sticky, which, makes sense. It's made out of soap, but this slime turned out amazing. I'm so happy with the texture and how it is, and it made awesome no glue slime. I'm so happy. But yeah, this is definitely one of my favorite no glue slime recipes just because of how easy it is, and it's been a fan favorite here on YouTube, TikTok, and even like Instagram. I've seen some people reposting like making this recipe, which is so cool to see. But if you guys like this recipe, remember to please leave a like and subscribe. But also, if the comments are on, usually they've been getting turned off because of YouTube, go over to my community page and comment on there, because that's where I always post whenever a video goes up. But yeah, I really hope you guys like this video, and I'm so excited for Christmas. Christmas is so soon. I definitely want to get up a cool slime video before then here on YouTube, but over on my TikTok I'm posting so often, same with my YouTube shorts, so make sure to check me out on there. Yeah, thank you guys so much for watching this video today. Please remember to leave a like and subscribe to Kawaii Toy Collector in the comments down below. Give us some video ideas. Bye guys, love you so much, and peace. Remember, thumbs up for no glue slime recipes, and check out all my social medias. They will be linked down below. Bye guys.